Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by closing everything to avoid locked files, then open your backup document and the exact Endnote library. Once done, make sure Word shows the Endnote tab. This confirms the add-in loaded. If the tab is missing, open Word Options and enable the Endnote add-in under Add-ins. You want the same library referenced to prevent citation ID mismatches. This step prevents common linkage errors and ensures citations map correctly when you next update or format the bibliography. Now unformat citations with Endnote's Convert option. This shows raw citation tags so you can spot broken ID. Next, locate any tags that don't match entries in your library and relink them by searching inside Endnote for the correct record. Replace the tag with the correct record. Once relinking is complete, use Endnote's Update Citations and Bibliography command to regenerate the formatted references. This fixes mismatches and reestablishes the correct link between word fields and finish by creating a plain text copy for submission. Convert citations to unformatted, save a new file, then convert back if needed. If errors persist, repair the Endnote Word add-in via Endnote's installer or reinstall Endnote. This often restores the communication layer. Make sure your library path hasn't changed and maintain periodic backups so you can restore a working state quickly. One troubleshooting tip: test with a short new document to isolate whether the problem is the library, the document, or the add-in.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.